Hello guys and welcome to today's review. Today's review we are looking at NUS 221. This is medical surgical nursing theory. It's a 3-unit course, so it means you're going to have 3 hours per week. Okay, let's start by the purpose of the course. What is the purpose of this course? The purpose of this course is to equip the learner with knowledge, skills, and the necessary attitude on the nursing process, the management of medical surgical conditions affecting the cardiovascular, respiratory, gastrointestinal, and hematological condition, guys. Guys, we are welcoming you to the medical surgical series. We are going to have several series on medical surgical nursing. This is just but the beginning. And in the beginning, guys, we have to start by looking at the nursing process, guys. Remember this, you worked out on this in the fundamentals of nursing. There are several types of nursing diagnosis, but we'll be using a three-part nursing diagnosis. Three-part nursing diagnosis, guys, okay? You have the problem, you have the related factor, and you have the evidence. Okay, acute pain related to inflammation of the tissues as evidenced by the patient guarding the extremities. Okay, acute pain related to inflammation as evidenced by tenderness on palpation. Guys, three-part nursing diagnosis. From the three-part nursing diagnosis, that is the nursing care, we'll be looking at the historical background of medical surgical nursing. Guys, when did you start having this concept of medical surgical nursing? Okay, so remember you have medical and you have surgical. Okay, why are they combined? This is what we are going to find out in our topic. So what are the specific learning outcome for us in this class? Guys, number one, we are supposed to outline the historical background of medical surgical nursing. We are supposed to describe the diagnostic and therapeutic procedures used in medical surgical nursing practice. We are supposed also to describe the concept and principles of nursing management of patients with cardiovascular, respiratory, gastrointestinal, and hematological disorders. And lastly, we'll attempt to apply the nursing process in the management of patients with cardiovascular, respiratory, gastrointestinal, and hematological conditions. So guys, we'll also be looking at pre and post-operative care for that matter. Remember, we'll be looking at definition of the condition, give the etiology, give the pathophysiology, explain how signs and symptoms come up, give the diagnostic test, give the collaborative management, and lastly, the nursing care for all the systems we have mentioned. Remember, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, in gastrointestinal system, and lastly hematological condition, guys. So guys, I welcome you to this unit, guys. It's gonna be interesting, guys, and this is just the foundation of the medical surgical series. So stay tuned as you be updated. I'll be sharing with you the YouTube links where you're going to review some of these topics at your own pace so that you can learn better. Okay, so guys, just be excited as I am, and we'll be able to do more on this one. Thank you so much and see you in class.